Hey guys, what's up? Frank Rayline RC here. Today I'm going to install some upgrades on the trx4m Bronco. We have some Jim's bearings. We have a servo here, metal gear, waterproof. We have the metal brace for it. We have a metal servo horn. We have the Injora 180 55 turn red can upgrade, and we have some injora wheels with V-lock wheels, tires. They sit much taller. I don't know if I'm gonna use these for this build or save them for another build. So I'm gonna start on this build. Hey guys, so I'm taking apart this crawler transmission that I bought as an assembly, and I came to find out that if you get the crawler transmission, it has the bearings already inside the transmission, so I don't have to put these, because this one's fairly new. But I am indeed gonna change this motor to this one.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind.
Well guys, I'm done with this part of the build here. That's how it looks with the Injora S5 compound. They're much bigger than the Mickey Thompsons I was running, but I'm gonna get some brass covers and a lot of brass coming in, so we're gonna have the weight down low. Even these wheels are weighted as well, so that's it for now, and stay tuned for a running video.